Hello, my name is Boris Provatorov. I am the head of the press service of the Roscoe Consulting and Audit Company. In order for a foreigner to work legally in Russia, he needs to obtain a work visa. We are talking about migrants from countries with which our country has a visa regime. It can be Turkey, Lithuania, Latvia or Czech Republic. The employer must handle the registration of permits. He solves all bureaucratic issues. The order of employment depends on the migrant status and the restrictions that apply when hiring this specialist. Step-by-step algorithm for the employment of visa foreigners. If the visa line is not a highly qualified specialist, you need more time to collect the documents. Most often, temporary migrants come to work in Russia. Such foreigners do not have either a special permit or a residence permit. The duration of their stay is determined by the work visa. This is an algorithm for the employment of visa migrants. The employer needs to adhere to it. First of all, it's necessary to check whether the future employer has a ban on entry into our country. You can make sure that a foreign specialist is not deployed at the border at the service of the Ministry of Internal Affairs. You need to open the check for grounds for not allowing entry into the territory of the Russian Federation through the Ministry of Internal Affairs tab. The answer comes instantly. Please note that there are no prohibitions from Rospotrebnadzor, its Federal Service for the Oversight of Consumer Protection and Welfare, in this electronic database. You will not learn, for example, about the spread of diseases by these migrants that are dangerous to others. After verification, you need to submit an application to the Employment Center for the need to attract foreign labor. Indicate that migrants are needed to fill vacant or newly created jobs. The application is submitted in a specific form. In Moscow, such documents are accepted by the Department of Labor and Social Protection of the population on Novaya Basmanная Street. In the Territorial Department of the Ministry of Internal Affairs or an authorized organization, the employer issues a permit for the recruitment and use of foreign employees. Quotas are set for issuing permits and job invitations. They depend on profession, qualifications, and country of origin of foreigners. Quotas for 2025 are set by a decree of the government of the Russian Federation. The exception is visa migrants who have the status of highly qualified specialist. The employer will need an application for a permit to attract and use foreign workers, the conclusion of the Employment Center or a Department of Labor and Social Protection of the population on the expediency of hiring migrants. It's necessary to prepare copies of the founding documents on the organization and the certificate of registration, information about foreign candidates and a draft employment contract. The state fee for issuing permits to hire foreign workers is 12,000 rubles per migrant. The next step is an invitation to enter Russia. If the migrant is in his homeland, the document is issued by the employer in the Territorial Department of the Ministry of Internal Affairs of the Russian Federation. A work visa is issued based on the invitation. If a foreigner resides on the territory of a legal entity, it's necessary to notify the Ministry of Internal Affairs of the Russian Federation within 7 working days from the moment of arrival of the foreigner. Now we register the foreigner at the place of stay. That's they put him on the migration register in the Territorial Department of the Ministry of Internal Affairs. In cases the arriving employee doesn't reside on the territory of the organization, he registers himself and provides the employer with the tier of stop on the notice of stay. A work permit is issued for each foreigner in the Territorial Department of the Ministry of Internal Affairs. For this purpose, the employer prepares an application for a permit, a copy of a migrant's identity document, as well as his medical documents, namely a certificate of absence of HIV infection and certificates confirming the absence of infectious disease. The state fee for issuing a work permit to one foreigner is 4,200 rubles. Then the document is ready, the employer will receive an SMS notification. Next, you should issue the personal documentation. This line provides an identity document, such as migrant's national passport, SNIUS, or confirmation of registration with the Social Fund of Russia. It can be obtained by an employer or by a foreign specialist himself. You will need a VMI policy or an agreement with the medical organization that will ensure the provision of primary care to the employee as well as emergency services. The same list includes a work permit for a temporary residence, visa line, a diploma or other education document, a visa, immigration card, and a work record. It can be in both paper and electronic versions, if the foreigner has already worked in our country. The other documents may be required for employment in a particular profession. For example, an employer may request a certificate of absence of the criminal record. Please note that if a migrant is not officially employed, both the employer and the illegal worker will be punished. The first is subject to a fine of up to 800,000 rubles, and for Moscow and St. Petersburg companies this figure reaches 1 million. You may be threatened with suspension of activities from 14 to 90 days. The illegal immigrant will have to pay 5,000 rubles, and he may be expelled from Russia. Within 3 working days, the employer must submit to the Territorial Department of the Ministry of Internal Affairs or through an authorized organization a notice of the conclusion or temporary of the employment contract. This document is issued for each foreigner individually. The most convenient way to send it through the website of public services. Let's summarize. The procedure of hiring foreign citizens differs significantly from the standard registration of Russians. The employer must obtain a permit to hire foreign workers, a work permit for each migrant, issue an invitation to enter to each foreigner, and prepare a package of personal documents. That's all. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. I'm Boris Provotorov. If you still have any questions, write them in the comments right now and our Roscoe lawyers will answer for them for free. And of course, subscribe to our channel. Stay informed, stay connected with Roscoe.